Hey, what is popping, you guys? Okay, so today I thought it'd be super exciting. Yes, I'm losing my voice. Leave me the fuck alone. But I thought it'd be super exciting if we did a Dreamzybox unboxing. Yeah! I got sponsored by Dreamzybox. They sent me this amazing box, and I'm super excited to open it with you guys. So you can actually get this box.
Dreamzybox.com.
You can use my code SunshineOil for money off of your order. I'm pretty sure it goes down like a couple, like I think like $5 to $10. I forget. But it is originally $39, but I think it goes down to like 30, if I'm not mistaken. You can double check the link, or maybe I'll write it down in the description or something. So yeah, so they do offer free shipping, and you can actually use my code SunshineOil for money off on your order. I will have all the links and coupons down below, so you guys can get your own dream box from dreamzybox.com. All right, so I'm super excited to get into this box. I'm going to show you guys everything that is in this box in this video, and then we will have our little hangout session in a video that is literally going to be posted right after this one. So just, you know, watch this one, and then we can go and hang out in the hangout video and use the products. But so here's the box. We open it up, and it has some cute little tissue paper. We move that tissue paper to the side, and we see two little cards. This is the Dreams box. I can win a free box if I post a picture of my Dreams box on Instagram. As you can see, there we go. And let's just get into it. Everything in this box is super freaking cute. Obviously, I'm going to save the piece for last. I'm going to show you all the cute little small stuff first. So one of the first things we got a Bearberry High Hemp Organic Wraps. All right. Super excited to try these out. Let's see if they have a little scent. Ooh. Oh, wow. They smell like Fig Newtons. They literally smell like Fig Newtons. I'm excited to try these out and see how they operate, how they work. Granted, I don't really know how to roll, so maybe I'll ask my cousin if he can do it for me. And then I also got a King Palm Blue Grape Fusion Flavor, 2 minis. Super freaking cute. Excited to smell these too. I haven't really been using like joints or blunts recently, but I'm thinking of like maybe having like one every other bag of like marijuana, you know. These are super cute too. Super cute King Palms. And then we also received Rosy King Pink Cones. Make something beautiful, and it's a 3 count. And let's see how these look. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. They're little pink joints. Look at that. So freaking cute. Okay, so that's all like the little like accessories.
I lied. I also received this super cute clipper that says "Believe in Magic." It has a little unicorn
that we got. We also got a really cute little unicorn poop candy, I want to say. It's just like a little candy of like marshmallows, I think. I'm gonna open it up, but I don't want to ruin the label. Oh crap, I already did. There we go. Unicorn poop. It's like little marshmallows. Yeah, it's just little marshmallows. Cute. So we got those. And then we also received a super awesome cookies tray. I'm so excited to use this. I love that it has like a bit of a ledge, so that I don't have to worry about my weed spilling out when I'm on my bed. We had some really cute cookies tray. This is actually my second piece of cookies merch that I own as a stoner, so that's really cool. So got a cookies tray. And then lastly, the piece that we got this month is this super cute unicorn. Look at this little unicorn. Look how fucking cute it is. It's a little pink purple unicorn, and you take off the little like backing, and there it is. You can put your bowl in. The clear hole is the booty, and you just, I don't know if you put water up in this hoe. Let me actually, like, can I take this out to check? Like, is it just a bowl? I think this is just a bowl piece, so I don't think think I have to fill it up with water, pero I don't know. So I don't think so. I think this is just a pipe. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. So we're actually going to be trying this out in the video that I'm going to be posting right after this. I'll have a little thing pop up right here, and maybe I'll put like a little like end screen as well, so you can just click it and watch it. But yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'm really excited to test out these products in the next video. So yeah, super excited. Thank you so much to Dreamzybox for sending me this, and don't forget to use my code SunshineOil for money off at purchase, so then you guys can get your own little unicorn. But let's go test it out in the next video, and yeah, okay, I'll see you guys there.